Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2014 Yamaha R1 superbike. This is the one you've been waiting for. Beautiful matte gray finish, one owner, just arrived with only 9,700 miles on it. It's got the right upgrades too. Smoke windscreen, adjustable levers, frame sliders, a fantastic sounding GYTR exhaust system, carbon fiber covered. It's got a fender eliminator, tank, pads. This bike is in gorgeous condition. Don't miss out. Price to sell at just $10,999. Come on by, make your superbike dreams come true. Here at Contra Costa Powersports, we have financing. We have extended warranties. This is the one with the cross-planed crankshaft. Gives you V-twin torque on a 4-cylinder. We have financing. We have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Feel it. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.